Lovesac MovieSac is the default for relaxed daily seating in most homes. Switch for oversized lounging, outdoor use, guest beds, compact rooms, or lower cost. Choose by footprint, feel, upkeep, and versatility. For most homes, I'd choose the Lovesac MovieSac. Buy it when you want a supportive everyday spot for reading and movies, plus plenty of cover choices. Its roughly 4 footwide shape feels substantial without swallowing the whole room. But premium pricing starts with both the insert and cover, and the 45-pound foam insert needs a day or two to expand. Skip it when money is tight, frequent moving matters, or you need instant setup. For maximum sprawl, the Lovesac The BigOne turns spare floor area into shared lounge seating. Buy it for a large basement, media room, or playroom where 1 or 2 people can stretch across its 6 foot width. Space is the deal breaker. At 95 pounds, it's hard to reposition and can dominate walkways. The entry price is over $900, too. Skip it for apartments, flexible layouts, or any room you haven't measured carefully. For patio-to-living-room flexibility, choose the Fatboy Original Outdoor Beanbag Chair. Its olefin cover repels water and dirt, so it suits covered patios, decks, sunrooms, and casual indoor spaces. The rectangular bag is movable and easy to wipe, but you'll need to redistribute its beads before sitting. Otherwise, it can feel too low. Skip it if you want fluffy faux fur, a fixed chair shape, or effortless sink-in comfort. For sleepovers, the Cordaroys Convertible Bean Bag earns its space by hiding a guest mattress inside a lounge chair. It's ideal for kids' rooms and flex spaces where storing another mattress would create clutter. Opened as a queen, it needs a 60 by 80 inch clear area. Refolding the foam neatly also takes work, and faux fur may shed loose fibers. Choose corduroy for easier upkeep. Skip it if you'll rarely use the mattress. For smaller rooms, the Pottery Sherpa Ivory beanbag chair delivers a deep, shape-holding seat without becoming a floor lounger. At 41 inches wide, it fits bedrooms, reading corners, and dorm-style spaces better than the larger picks. But adults won't have much curling up room, and Ivory Sherpa shows marks easily. Its EPS texture is also noticeable. Skip it if you want shared seating, low-maintenance fabric, warranty coverage, or flexible returns after personalization. For value, the Ultimate Sac 4000 gives you a roughly 4 foot foam lounger without premium chair pricing. Buy it for movie nights, kids' spaces, or casual seating where size and support matter more than polished materials. Its shredded memory foam pieces feel larger and firmer through the cover, while basic polyester looks less refined. Upgraded covers cost extra, and the return window is 15 days from delivery. Skip it if fill texture or generous returns matter most. Quick match, MovieSac suits most homes. The BigOne is for oversized lounging. Fatboy moves indoors or out. Cordaroys handles sleepovers. Pottery fits small rooms. Ultimate Sac 4000 saves money. Measure the full footprint and walkways. Check fill texture, cover care, setup time, return terms, and whether you'll realistically move the chair. If unsure, start with Lovesac MovieSac for everyday lounging in most homes. Switch to bigger options for sprawling rooms, adaptable seating for patios, or beds for guests. Choose smaller or lower-cost options for tight spaces or budgets. Measure your room and walkways first. Squared away. Buy by the problem, not the loudest claim. Subscribe for the next setup guide.